Why shouldn't you DIY your marketing and business development? Because every business, just like every person, is unique. Doing it all on your own is like following random diet advice online. One expert says, you need more protein. Another one swears by cardio. Another one recommends heavy lifting. They're all right, but only in the right context. So who knows what's best for you? A nutritionist and a trainer. Someone who takes the time to understand your goals, your capabilities, and circumstances before designing a plan just for you. Well, the same goes with marketing and business development. Your business plan path is yours alone. When you're unsure, you turn to an expert, right? Need tax advice? Go to an accountant. Facing a legal issue? You consult a lawyer. Have a toothache? You see a dentist. So why would you approach marketing and business development any differently? DIY efforts waste precious time. They create frustration and often miss the mark. When it comes to growing your business, don't leave it to guesswork. Leave it to the experts who can create a strategy tailored to your unique needs. Take the guesswork out of your growth.